Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unbagging Ipsy versus Ipsy. But before I begin, I want to say happy Father's Day to all of the lovely fathers out there. And I also want to say happy Father's Day to the single fathers out there. You know, a lot of times we talk about single mothers, but we don't really talk about a lot of the single fathers that are raising their children alone. So I commend all of the single fathers out there, and also the single mothers that celebrate Father's Day, because they have to be the mother and the father as well. Being a parent, in my experience, in my opinion, is one of the hardest jobs that there is. And when you have to do it alone, it's extremely hard. So just remember, whenever you're struggling, God doesn't give you anything you can't handle. And yes, I am married, but I've been married for about 6 years. And prior to that, I was a single parent for many, many, many years. So I do understand. But I just wanted to give you guys a shout out. So happy Father's Day. Anywho, let's get on to the Ipsy versus Ipsy. So, I don't know if you watched my Ipsy last month. If not, I'll leave it up in the cards up here and then also down below. And I usually always get 2 bags, but Ipsy had sent me 3 bags, and then a few days later I got a 4th bag. And all of the products were all the same. And I always do 2 different profiles. And the reason why I do it, because I want to know, does Ipsy really go by their profile or not? So I've been doing this for a few months. So I never look at my spoilers. A lot of times people ask me, how do I know what is what? And I always look at the tracking number. So that's how I know. So I don't know what's in here, and I am excited. So let's just begin. So like I said, I do 2 different profiles. I do a 25-year-old with red hair, brown eyes, a light complexion, and that I'm not too fond of a lot of makeup. I don't know how to apply a lot of makeup, so I like everything neutral. Do I look blurry to you or not? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if they focus in. Hope I haven't been blurry. Okay. And then I do my own profile, which I say I'm 42. I have dark hair, blue eyes. I'm light complected. I always say I'm light complected with both, just in case I get like a foundation or concealer that I can use. And I put I'm adventurous, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. So let's start with my profile. We'll do the 42-year-old and see what we got. Okay. So I know there was variations. Oh, a yellow bag. I know there was a variations. You could have got a yellow, red, or a blue bag this month. So the first one, I got a yellow one. And I believe they're very colorful this month because of June is Pride Month. So, Gay Pride Month. So, oh, this is really cute. You have a little heart that says Ipsy. Now, I'm not really too keen of yellow. It's one of my least favorite colors. But it's not that bad, actually. All right, so let's open her up. Let's see what the card, see if I can find the card first. Okay, so this says Flying Colors, and yep, it's for Pride Month. So I was correct, so there we go. And if you want to screenshot this or pause it and read that, you can read that. All right, I'm gonna pull out the first thing I see. So the first thing I see is from Mint and Argan. This is a lip balm with hydrating chia seed oil. I guess this is from Grove Cosmetics. I don't mind getting chapstick or lip balm, whatever you want to call it, especially in the summertime. I always apply chapstick. If I am at home and I don't have any makeup on, I gotta rip this thing because I can't get it open. Look at this. Why do they make it so hard to open? All right, so let's see. It says Mint and Argan. And it does smell very minty. This is a cute packaging. It's different. And let me see. Oh yeah, it's really oily. This is exactly what I like. So that's good. I mean, I have chapstick all over. In my room, in the dining room here, in my car, in my pocketbook, in the bathrooms. I give them to each one of my kids, my husband. I have a lot of them. So I don't mind getting that. All right, the next thing is a brush from Luxie. God, this is a small brush. So it's just like a little shader brush. What does it say? Let's see if I can read it. So small. Small shader brush. And so what this is good is for like packing on your eyelid. So that's nice. It's very small, but I don't mind it. I love getting brushes. The next thing we got is 3 times Sublime. This is a 3-in-1 blackhead wash, scrub, and mask. And you know what? This is a really decent size. This is like a deluxe sample size. So it might even be a full size. And I'm looking at my lights up here and it's really filled up. So that is exciting. And I am not knocking. I love getting skincare. All right, let's see. The next thing we got is from Steve Laurent. And let's see what this is. Let me see. I always end up breaking these boxes. Okay. Oh, this is a beautiful color green. Now, this is funny. Last month in all of my bags, I got, I believe it was like a greenish color eyeshadow, which I have said that I was giving away to some people, and I still got to mail them. I didn't forget. I just remember now as I'm talking about it. You guys got to remind me because I'll forget. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I seen somebody else get like a blue color and I thought it was pretty, but green, oh my God, that's gorgeous. This is one of the prettiest green eyeshadows I've ever seen. That is gorgeous. And it's not even showing justice. It is prettier in a person. Oh, that's good. Don't mind these scratches. If you're new to my channel, I am diabetic, so I am insulin dependent. So whenever I get scratches or anything, they stay on forever. It takes me a while to heal, and then it'll turn into a scar. I'm scarred all over. Okay, but yeah, and it's blending and everything. Okay, that's just gorgeous. Let me move on. And last but not least, this is a liquid lipstick from, who is this from? Luscious Lip. Oh, from Deuce. From Deuce. Okay. The writing is so small sometimes you can't see. Let's see if I can open it and swatch it. I don't think I ever got a liquid lipstick from Deuce that I can remember. I hear their mascara is really good, but I've got their blush, I've got an eyeshadow from them, and I really do like the brand. And that's another reason why I like these subscription boxes, because you find brands that you would never hear about if you didn't have subscription boxes. And these liquid lipsticks, even though they look small, you get a lot of product and they do last a while. Oh my God, that's gorgeous too. That is beautiful. So I actually think they went by my profile this month. I really do. I got adventurous stuff. I like skincare. I like getting tools. And I love getting lip balm. So I am very satisfied with this. This is probably one of the best bags that I've gotten in a long time. All right, let's just see if they go with my 25-year-old profile. So remember, I say I'm red hair, brown eyes, light complexion, and I am not adventurous, and I am not that comfortable with makeup. So, oh, I see something on here. Oh, this is a nice brush. This is from mintpear.com, Mint Pear Beauty. I don't think I've ever heard of this company before. This is a nice brush. Let's see what it says. This is a rounded soft blend brush, M64 from Mint Pear. Comment below if you ever heard of this brand before. This will be perfect. The only thing is, look, you can, I don't know if that's the white right there, if that's glue or what, but this would be perfect for highlighting. And it's so soft. I really like this. So far, they are making up for what they did last month. Okay, and we got a red bag, so that's exciting. So let's see what we got in here. All right, again, we have the card. So let's see. Pull out the first thing that I see. This is something big. Oh, from Bare Minerals. This is Skin Cereals. What is this? This is Promote Skin, okay, infused with moisture. It's like a serum, I guess. Let's see. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Bare Minerals. I always say Minimals, Bare Minimals, but it's Bare Minerals. And I don't know how much you get in this, but this is like a little serum, a Vital Power and Infusion. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Oh, I just did one squirt and one squirt and a lot came out. That didn't sound good. And there we go. So it's very oily, and I mean, look how much you got with one squirt. Stop saying squirt. With one pump. And stop acting like a 12-year-old. Okay, so you only need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. So that is exciting. What else did we get? This is from Dr. Lily Fan. This is a probiotic eye repair cream. Well, that's good. I don't know if 25-year-olds need that, but that would be good for my 42-year-old. But my daughter is 17 and I have her using skincare. So you are never too young to start using skincare. And it's not filled up, but it is a decent size just to see, you know, what it does. And that does feel nice. And it has a good scent to it. So that's good. I am not hating on that. The next thing we got, this is a Pacifica Tomboy Vibe. Now, I did see other people get this. I am not going to open it. This is an eyeshadow palette, and there are the colors right there. I had got months ago another eyeshadow palette from this brand, and I didn't care for it too much. And even if this is a better formula, I have so many eyeshadow palettes, I don't tend to go for these smaller ones. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. What I usually do when I get 2 of these, if I get any duplicates or things I know I'm not going to like, I put everything in an Ipsy bag, and once it gets filled up, I will do like a little giveaway. So that will go in a giveaway, and one of the bags is almost filled up. And last but not least, this is from Kaledo Cosmetic. This is a skin blush, and I love getting blush too. I think so far, I mean, I think I love both of my Ipsy bags. And let's see what color this is. Oh, that's gorgeous. It comes with a mirror. Now, it's not matte, and I do, let me swatch with my other hand. I do tend to go for matte blushes and not too much shimmer. But I can always use it as an eyeshadow. But that's pretty, though. That's really pretty. I might actually use this because it's not too shimmery, and it's perfect for summer. That is really nice. Or I can put it as like a little, like a skin topper, a blush topper. So I am so satisfied. So we got this nice brush. I'm gonna have to wash it because I don't know if that's glue up there or not, or maybe it's just the white bristles. We got the eyeshadow palette, which is going to go into a giveaway. We got the blush. We got the eye cream. And we got the Bare Minerals face oil. So that's exciting. I don't know if I put a lot of skincare for my 25-year-old profile. So I don't know about that, but I'm not knocking it because I think at every age, it doesn't matter what age you are, you should do skincare. So that is exciting, and I will recap again what I got in my 42-year-old my profile. We got the little brush, we got the really pretty lipstick. Let's see if it dried down. Yes, it dried down. That is awesome. We got the Steve Laurent. I'm gonna look into this because I love this color. I'm gonna go online and order some more of these and the colors. Really nice. I got this Blackhead face wash, and I got a lip balm. So I am really liking both of my bags. I think this has been a long time since I really love these bags. So let me know in the comments below, did you like your Ipsy this month? What did you get? Let me know because I am very nosy. And guys, until my next, I was gonna say giveaway, until my next video, love you guys, bye.